Exercise 8.6, my dear student, it is here we are going to use function of function rule, or it is also called as chain rule. Here, look at here, u is a function depend upon two variables x and y. Again, x and y are depend upon a single variable t. So now we are going to find out the derivative of u with respect to the variable t. Single variable, single independent, therefore du by dt. But it is not directly possible. U with respect to x, x with respect to t, u with respect to y, y with respect to t. U is dependent upon two variables, that's why partial derivative. But x and y are dependent upon a single variable, that's why ordinary derivative. Okay. So remember that du by dt is dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt. Our aim is to find out du by dt at the point, at the value t equal to 0. Okay, first differentiate u with respect to x, imagine y as constant. So 2x into y plus 3y power 4 is a constant. Okay, differentiation of x 1. Okay, and similarly dou u by dou y, differentiate with respect to y, x square is a constant, differentiation of y 1 plus 3x is a constant, differentiation of y power 4, 3y cube. So 3 into 3, 9x y cube. Okay, sorry, n into x power minus y power 4 is 4y cube. So 4 into 3, 12, 12x y cube. Okay, again dx by dt, differentiation of e power t is e power t, differentiation of sin t is cos t. Okay, now du by dt equal to, put that in the formula, function of function rule or chain rule of partial derivatives. So 2x plus 2xy plus 3y power 4 into e power t plus, okay, x square plus 12xy cube into cos t. Listen, my dear student, the final answer must be in terms of what is the variable in terms of t. Again put what is x, what is y in this step. Okay, so put a 2x e power t, 2 e power t into sin t, okay, plus 3 into sin power 4t into e power t, okay, plus e power t the whole square, e power 2t plus 12 e power t into sin cube t into cos t. So what is the variable present in the denominator? The final answer must be in terms of that one. So after the partial derivative, you need to substitute what is x and what is y. Okay, now we need to find out du by dt at the value t equal to 0. Okay, again in the above one, put t equal to 0. Okay, what will happen? So now our aim is to find out du by dt at t equal to 0. So put t equal to 0. So 2 into e power 0 sin 0 plus 3 into sin power 4 0 into e power 0 plus e power 0 1, but sin 0 0, here also 0. So it is 1, so it becomes 0, first term becomes 0. Okay, again e power 0 plus 12 into e power 0 sin cube again into cos 0. So first value the whole thing becomes 0, 0 into 1, 0. So e power 0 1, again sin 0 0, it becomes, okay, 0, cos 0 1. Okay, so the value is 1. Question number 2 in the exercise 8.6, given that u of x comma y comma z is equal to x into y square into z cube, where x equal to sin t, y equal to cos t and z equal to 1 plus e power 2t. Find du by dt. It is of 3 variables, so we have to extend the chain rule or function of function rule up to 3 variables. Last one up to 2. Here one more time, dou u by dou z into dz by dz. So we have to find out all the 6 terms. Okay, first differentiate u with respect to x, imagine y and z constant. So y square z cube, differentiation of x1. Again with respect to y, so imagine x and z as constant. So 2xy z cube, y square differentiation 2y, and one more with respect to z means x y square as constant. So 3x y square z square, differentiation of z cube 3z square. Okay. Now x with respect to t cos t, y with respect to t minus sin t, cos t differentiation minus sin t, and the next one z with respect to t, differentiation of 1 0, e power ax differentiation a into e power ax, so 2 into e power 2t. Okay, again put all the values in the rule, function of function rule or chain rule. So y square z cube into cos t plus 2xy z cube, okay, into minus sin t plus 3xy square z square into 2 into e power 2t. So and the final answer must be in terms of t. So put what is x, what is y, what is z. So put in the above one, put x equal to sin t, y equal to cos t, z equal to 1 plus e power 2t. So y square cos square t, okay, z cube 1 plus 2t the whole cube into cos t, and 2 into x sin z, and y cos z into z cube 1 plus e power 2t the whole cube into this minus sin z, sin t, plus 3 into sin t into cos square t, okay, z square 1 plus e power 2t the whole square into 2 into e power 2t. Okay, for all the three terms we can take 1 plus e power 2t the whole square in common, here remaining cos cube t, here power 3, therefore power 1 remaining. Okay, here minus, so put that minus, this 2 sin t cos t can be written as sin 2t into sin t, again power 1 remaining. Okay, this 2 into 3 6, this is taken outside, remaining cos square t into sin t into e power 2t. That's all. Question number 3 in the exercise 8.6, u of x comma y comma z is given as x square plus y square plus z square. X is given as e power t, y is given as e power t into sin t, z is given as e power t into cos t. Okay, so now again the same formula, okay, function of function rule or chain rule of three variables. So first w with respect to x, imagine y and z as constant, so differentiation x square 2x, y square 0, z square 0. U with respect to y, x square 0, y square 2y, z square 0, and u with respect to z, x square 0, y square 0, z square 2z, and x with respect to t, e power t differentiation e power t. Okay, and for the next two we have to apply the product rule. Okay, dy by dt, keep e power t as constant, differentiation of sin t cos t, plus keep sin t, differentiation of e power t is e power t. We take e power t in common, cos t plus sin t. Okay, similarly we need to differentiate z with respect to t, again the product rule, e power t, differentiation of cos t minus sin t, plus cos t into differentiation of e power t. So e power t into cos t minus sin t. Okay, so this is the derivatives. Okay, now use it in the formula. So du by dt equal to, so 2x into e power t plus 2y into e power t into cos t plus sin t plus 2z into e power t into cos t minus sin t. Okay, so now already told you the final answer must be in terms of, okay, t. So again put what is, or if you want you can take 2 e power t in common initially, so remaining x, here y into cos t plus sin t, okay, here z into cos t minus sin t, that are the values remaining. Okay, 2 into x plus y into cos t plus sin t plus z into cos t minus sin t. Again put x equal to e power t, y equal to e power t into sin t, z equal to e power t into cos t. So 2 into e power t, okay. So x e power t plus e power t, okay. So e power t into multiply this sin t with these 2. So okay, sin t cos t plus sin square t. I am multiplying e power t into sin t. I am multiplying sin t with these 2. Similarly, z is e power t into cos t. I am multiplying e power t and cos t with these 2. Okay. So cos square t minus sin t cos t. Okay. So again if we take e power t in common, so 2 into e power 2t. Okay. It becomes 1 plus sin t cos t plus sin square t plus cos square t minus sin t cos t. So plus sin t cos t minus sin t cos t cancel. This sin square t cos square t becomes 1. So 2 e power 2t into 1 plus 1. So it becomes 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 e power 2t. That is the value of du by dt. 4 similar to that previous one. U of x comma y comma z is given as x y z. X is given as e power minus t. Y is given as e power minus t into cos t. Z equal to sin t. Okay. Our aim is to differentiate u with respect to t. It is not directly possible. U with respect to x into x with respect to t plus u with respect to y into y with respect to t plus u with respect to z into z with respect to t. So first with respect to x, y z is a constant, differentiation of x 1. So y is z. Similarly with respect to y, x is z. Similarly with respect to z means xy. Again x with respect to t. So e power minus t differentiation, e power ax, a into e power ax, here a is minus 1. So minus of e power minus t. And for the next one, y with respect to t is the product rule. Keep e power minus t, differentiation of cos t minus sin t, and keep cos t, differentiation of e power minus t minus e power minus t. So here we can take minus e power minus t outside, remaining sin t plus cos t, and differentiation of sin t cos t. Now put all the values in the function of function rule or chain rule. Put all the values. Already told you the final answer must be in terms of t. So put y equal to e power minus t, z equal to cos t, okay, and y equal to e power minus t into cos t. Put all the places, and if we put, we are getting e power minus t into cos t into, okay, y is e power minus t into cos t, z is sin t and remaining term, plus x is e power minus t, z is sin t and the remaining term, into sin t into cos t, already present. So x is e power minus t, y value e power minus t into cos t. Look at my dear student, e power minus t into e power minus t, e power minus 2t. We can take it outside for all the things. Remaining, okay, sin t cos t minus, okay. Again here minus sin t into sin t, sin square t minus sin t into cos t, okay. Here plus cos t into cos t, cos square t. Again minus sin t cos t 2 times, okay, remaining terms. Here 2 sin t cos t is sin 2t. In the meantime we are taking minus outside, so it becomes plus and plus becomes minus. That is the value of du by dt, minus e power minus 2t into sin 2t plus sin square t minus cos square t. Or we want to write, you can write this minus cos square t plus sin square t is minus cos 2t. So we can write it as minus e power minus 2t into sin 2t. We know that cos square t minus sin square t is cos 2t. Here minus, that's why it is minus cos 2t. Or otherwise you can leave it in that previous set itself. My dear student, question number 5 in the exercise 8.6. W of x comma y is given as 6x cube minus 3xy plus 2y square, and x is given as e power s, y is given as cos s. Our aim is to differentiate w with respect to s Again use function of function rule or chain rule of two variables, w with respect to x into x with respect to s plus w with respect to y into y with respect to s. First with respect to x, imagine y as constant. So 3 into 6, 18x square minus 3y is a constant differentiation of x 1, the whole thing y 0. And w with respect to y, the whole thing x is constant 0 minus 3x is a constant differentiation of y 1, here 4y. Again e power s differentiation, e power s, cos s differentiation minus sin s, and put it in the formula function of function rule. So again already told you the final answer must be in the value, the variable present in the denominator s. Okay, so replace x by e power s, so it becomes e power 2x, and y by cos x into the same value. Again put x equal to e power s, y equal to cos x. Okay, so we are getting e power 2s into e power s, e power 3s, so 18 e power 3s minus 3 into e power s into cos x, here minus into minus plus 3 e power s into sin s minus 4 cos s sin s. Our aim is to find out dw by ds at s equal to 0. So put s equal to 0, e power 0 becomes 1, 1 into 18, 18. Again e power 0, 1, cos 0, 1, 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Here sin 0 becomes 0, both the terms become 0. So 18 minus 3, the value of dw by ds at s equal to 0 is 15.